By the middle of 2025, the global tech industry was shedding roughly 500 jobs every single day to automation. Elon Musk has repeatedly warned that artificial intelligence poses extreme dangers to human labor. Yet, at the exact same time, the World Economic Forum projects that the global economy will create 69 million new roles. India is the absolute epicenter of this paradox. With over 10 million professionals working across technology services and customer experience, the country's workforce sits directly in the crosshairs of generative AI. This chart projects tech sector employment in India through 2031. Maintaining a business-as-usual approach leads to a sharp drop in employment, resulting in a net loss of 1.5 million jobs. But if the government and private sector execute a coordinated strategy, the trajectory forks. That red drop flips into an upward curve, potentially adding up to 4 million new jobs to the economy. Understanding how the exact same software can either eliminate or generate millions of salaries requires looking at the mechanics of disruption across 3 levels: the work, the worker, and the workforce. Level 1 is the work itself. Rather than absorbing entire jobs at once, AI targets specific steps within the software development lifecycle. When you map out a software production pipeline, AI tools actively streamline the middle phases. Code generation, documentation, and testing show a 15 to 25% increase in efficiency when human developers use AI assistants. That efficiency brings us to level 2, the worker. Because the software handles basic coding and testing so well, specific entry-level roles fall into a declining category, like L1 support agents handling VPN resets, or junior quality assurance engineers running regression tests. Their core daily tasks are essentially data sorting problems. An AI agent can now read an incoming error log, find the correct solution in the company's vast documentation, and route the fix back to the customer instantly. Other existing roles are evolving. A full-stack developer keeps their job, but their daily routine shifts from writing raw code to managing application programming interfaces and reviewing AI-generated architecture. Then there are the emerging roles, positions that barely existed 3 years ago. The industry now hires AI prompt engineers to build ethical guardrails and quantum machine learning engineers to design new algorithms. Individual tasks are migrating away from routine execution, forcing the baseline of human labor to shift toward higher-level AI collaboration. This task migration rolls up to level 3, the workforce. Shifting roles change how massive corporations structure their teams. For decades, IT services relied on a steep pyramid, with thousands of entry-level workers at the bottom. Because AI automates that base layer, the Deliveroo pyramid flattens. Companies need fewer juniors at the bottom and an expanded middle tier of managers focused on strategy and critical thinking. To build that wide middle tier, you need an advanced, specialized workforce. Right now, the supply of qualified AI talent in India meets only 50% of the industry's projected demand. This deficit stems from limited computer science education in public schools and an ongoing brain drain. Top researchers frequently migrate to hubs offering massive infrastructure investments, leading to a net negative talent flow for India compared to global competitors. India's projected 1.5 million job loss is the direct consequence of this massive skills mismatch. To bridge this gap and pull the economy onto the 4 million job growth track, Niti Aayog developed a centralized policy response, the India AI Talent Mission. The roadmap relies on 5 pillars. The first is a mandate to embed AI fluency into the core curriculum, moving from primary school classrooms through dedicated university engineering programs. The second pillar targets the brain drain. By offering robust research grants and fast-track talent visas, the mission aims to pull leading engineers and scientists back into the domestic ecosystem. For the current workforce, the third pillar establishes a national upskilling engine. This provides a specific pathway for workers in declining roles, training them to handle the analytical positions required in the flattened corporate pyramid. Finally, the plan provides the tools of innovation. Establishing an open-source AI commons gives startups access to trusted datasets, while a national compute grid ensures researchers have the high-performance computing power they need to train models locally. Computer scientist Andrew Ng noted that AI won't replace people, but people who use AI will replace people who don't. This roadmap is how India secures its future as the AI workforce capital of the world.